Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today we're going to be replacing the headlight bulb on a 2011 to 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This happens to be a 14, but they're pretty much all the same. You can see that one's good, this one's out, and this is the headlight bulb is an H11. Okay, this is the 4th generation Jeep. And basically, over here, you go underneath here, there's a little access point to get to the headlight, right? You're not going to use that because you're going to start, getting pretty mad. All right, it's ridiculous to get it from there. So I'm going to show you how to get it from the top. Kind of easy. You do it yourself and save yourself money. Okay, we're going to start with the left side, the right side, I'm sorry. Over here you have, what we're going to do, let me show you over here. It's over here, it's back here. So this computer is in the way, but don't be afraid, you're not gonna have to take it apart. All we're gonna do, there's a little tab right here, and we're just gonna lift it up and just move it to the side a little bit. And the same thing with the overflow tank over here, that's an 8mm. We're just gonna move it to the side enough to get our hands back there to grab that one. On this side, a little bit more, we have to take the air cleaner off, but it's not that hard. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So right now, I'm gonna just move this to the side over here and show you what I did. And like I said, there's a tab right here. You just do that and it just lifts right out of the way. You see, everything's hooked up. All you gotta do is just move it out of the way a little bit like this so you can get your hand back there. And the same thing with, maybe we don't even need to do with this, I'm gonna see. All right, and then you have this cap that's there. This is a cap to keep the moisture out. You just twist it, okay, and it comes right out. And that's gonna expose the headlight bulb. You're gonna have to twist it to get it out. Don't unhook it yet. Just twist it and get it out first. And here's the bulb right here. All right, it's gonna be in there and you're gonna have to twist it and get it out. It's pretty tight, but you can do it. I did it. And then now you disconnect it and we're gonna just put the new bulb in. And when you put the other bulb in, just make sure it's the exact size. Like I said, these are an H11, and this is a good time to upgrade if you want to upgrade to your favorite bulb. And now we're just gonna plug it in and just reinstall it. Okay, you plug it in, and now you want to make sure it works before you put it all the way in. Go ahead. Hello? Nope. There we go. Okay, shut it off. Okay, so now you test it, because if it didn't work, then you may have a different problem than just a light bulb. You're gonna put it in something like the same way you took it out. You're gonna put it in and it's gonna turn it up. So when you're taking it out, you turn it like that to get it out. And don't touch the bulb with your hands, okay? Just don't touch this bulb with your hands. So when you put it back in, you put it in and you turn it until it locks, until it doesn't go anymore. Okay, then you take this cap, put the cap back on, then you just lift this up and you put it down until it locks in like that. Just make sure you didn't touch nothing like this. Actually, I did not touch this, so you probably don't have to touch it either. And that side's done. And now we're gonna do the other side. Okay, now on this side, we have an 8mm. Loosen the clamp. Over here you have a little hose. Take that little hose off. Over here is clips. Take the clips off. Take the air cleaner, the top part of it, off. Okay, so when you take that off, it's a good idea to check your air filter and replace it if you need to. And this over here, underneath the trim, there's gonna be a little fastener right there. You just pull it out to release this. And this basically has little rubber grommets, and you're just gonna just push on it and pop it out. Okay, and over here, there's a little tab right here that hooks right here. You can see it. See this right here? It goes right there, and then this comes right out. All right, and now we're gonna access over here. I'm going to show you. And basically the same thing here. You take the cover off and make sure you put this cover back. Don't, it's not hard to put back because this keeps the moisture. You go into a puddle, water hits that that bulb or blow the bulb out and give you electrical problems. All right, and now it's in here. It's in there, and we're gonna twist it out. And so there it is, and it goes back in. Put my hand there, right here, and it goes back in here. The same way you got it out, you just put it in there and you twist it, and until it locks in nice and tight. And you just reverse the removal procedure. Make sure it's pushed in on the grommets here nice and tight. Put the little things back, and all these little clips and everything, don't just leave them, let them dangle. All right, I've seen so many times people don't put things back, lazy, or they think it means no purpose, and then they rub. It could be a vacuum line, cause a vacuum problem, and you bring it in, the mechanic's gonna charge you hundreds of dollars for something you should just put back yourself. All right, so now you just put the air cleaner, air filter element back in, and you put the thing back on. You put this little thing back in, make sure everything is the same way you when you took it out, and you just check your work. And when you're done, you just check everything. Well, like I said, you're supposed to check those bulbs before you put them in, and make sure you put them in. When you put them in, you have to make sure they seat and then turn. You're gonna feel like that rubbiness, and then it's gonna stop. You don't want to keep them cocked to the side because they won't be in the lens properly, and one headlight can be beaming up, down, or sideways. You don't want that. You want them nice and seated in there, okay? And that's basically it. You know what the dealer charges for this? About $200. You could do it yourself, free, watching the video, and you just pay for the bulbs. And it's, like I said before, it's a good time to upgrade the bulbs and check your air filter at the same time. That would be even more money if the dealer would do it. Just Motorcarnut looking out for you guys. All right, guys? See you in the next video. Please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions. And I'll see you guys in the next video. You learned something, please donate to the channel. I really appreciate it. It keeps me going. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.